do soap-powered boat experiment. For the experiment, we need dish soap, a toothpick, boats cut out with foam, plate, and most importantly, we need water. I'm going to put the boat in the water. And it's not moving. Do you want to see the magic?